The world always wants some or the other new contraption which makes their life just a little bit easier. And since ancient times, engineers have completely changed the world we live in. They designed and built the Aztec and Egyptian pyramids, the Great Wall of China, and the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Today, we have our modern homes, bridges, cars, space travel, and the latest mobile technology. Innovative ideas are at the heart of what engineers do, and they use their knowledge to create new and exciting prospects and solve any problems that may arise. Because of the immense craze for engineering, especially in India, it is important that aspiring engineers carefully choose their college. Since there has been a mushrooming of engineering institutes set up only to exploit this craze, and students from such colleges fail to get relevant jobs. The Samrat Ashok Technological Institute, located in Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh, is one college that has been striving to establish and maintain academic excellence in the field of technology.
We are working on 4P. 4P means in first year we are working on the problem. In the second year, in the same problem, our students are write up the project, and in third year our students are making the products. It may be actual or virtual, and in fourth year our students goes to patent or placement.
Established in 1960 as a grant and aid autonomous college, the institute started with BE in civil, mechanical and electrical engineering. Today, it offers a lot more.
As of today, we are having 6 UG programs with a total intake of 540 seats. The UG programs which we are running are the civil engineering program, mechanical engineering program, electrical engineering program, electronic and instrumentation engineering program, electronic communication engineering program, and computer science engineering program. Similarly, we are having 6 PG programs with an intake of 18 in each specialization. Apart from this engineering, we are also having PG programs in applied sciences and also MBA programs.
This year we have 2 courses accredited from the National Board of Accreditation under the Washington Accord USA in Tier 1, BTech in Mechanical Engineering and BTech Electrical Instrumentation Engineering. So now these 2 courses are already accredited, and now we are going to for 3 programs: Civil Engineering, CSC and Electronics and Communication for accreditation.
Late Maharaja Jivaji Rao Scindia established the institute in 1960 with a donation from the Gangajali Trust Fund of the Scindias. It is an autonomous institute which is fully funded by the government of Madhya Pradesh and managed by the Maharaja Jivaji Rao Education Society, chaired by Jyotiraditya Madhav Rao Scindia. Today, it is part of the Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalaya, also known as RGPV Bhopal, from 1998, and its degree is issued by the university.
This institute is autonomous institute. We have the autonomy from the UGC from the 1965 and autonomy from the RGPV, Rajiv Gandhi Technical University, in 2011.
The institute has some of the best facilities and laboratories in its science and engineering departments. And in recent years, the facilities have been extensively modernized. The additive manufacturing lab and the support provided by the institute for the development of geopolymer concrete are some achievements.
In the history of our institute, first time CSIR EMPRI, Bhopal and Samrat Ashok Technology Institute of Vidisha jointly transfer the technology about geopolymer concrete and its product to JMR Enterprises. This geopolymer concrete is a very special concrete. No curing is required, and the strength we can gain within the 3 days with 60-degree temperature. So this new concrete is the future of building or future of infrastructure of the nation.
Recently we have developed one laboratory, additive manufacturing. This is the very recent and advanced laboratory in which students are learning to make the physical realization model what they will design, they will make the model. This additive manufacturing is having very vast application in medical science nowadays. Most of the surgeons are using this particular laboratory, this particular technology for pre-preparation of their surgery.
Admissions to all BE courses in the institute are done by DTE, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, through a process of counselling based on the merit list of JEE conducted by the CBSE. For postgraduate courses, candidates have to qualify GATE or GATE to secure admission directly. Sponsored candidates need to possess a degree in engineering or architecture and have at least 2 years of work experience. The institute has been working hard to make sure that students become true engineers. That is, use models provided by science combined with innovative thinking to solve problems and create new designs that benefit humanity.
We actually work on students' communication skills. We work on their aptitude, logical reasonings, and developing their soft skills which are majorly required for recruitment process, because the study shows that hardly 20 to 30% of importance is given to technical knowledge for an average student, while 70% of the soft skills actually bring job to him.
We have a very good staff who are really working very hard for the sake of the institution, for the sake of the students.
The institute facilitates the process of placement of the graduating students, besides collaborating with leading organizations and institutes in setting up of internships and training programs. Students have been placed in the sectors of core engineering industries, IT services, manufacturing, finance, and R&D. Companies include public sector firms such as BHEL, Indian Oil and HP, and private sector firms including TCS, Microsoft, Infosys, HCL, Godrej and Larsen & Toubro. Since its first graduating batch of 1965, many of the Institute's alumni have achieved the heights of success and reached influential positions in society, both in India and abroad. Kailash Satyarthi, a 1974 batch electrical engineer from SATI Vidisha, founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan and is a 2014 Nobel laureate. Vijay Kumar Chaturvedi, a 1965 batch mechanical engineer, is a nuclear power expert who was the chairman and managing director of the Nuclear Power Corporation of India. He was honoured with the Padma Shri in 2001. These are only some names. The list is long and illustrious. All of them have a deep bond with their alma mater. The college campus is spread over an area of 85 acres of lush green land with natural surroundings. It has boys' hostels for engineering and polytechnic and girls' hostels for engineering, besides living quarters for professors and other employees. The campus has all the practical requirements for a comfortable student life within it. There's a canteen, cooperative store, a bank, auditorium, a library and a dispensary associated with the nearby hospital. The institute also houses well-maintained cricket and football grounds, tennis, badminton and basketball courts, and a modern gymnasium. A lot of importance is given to extracurricular activities and overall development of students studying here.
यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे क्लब्स हैं ऐसे जिससे आपका ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट होगा, जिसमें आप बहुत सारी स्किल्स भी सीखते हैं, जैसे कि टेक्निकल स्किल्स, मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स एंड मेनी अदर थिंग्स विच यू विल लर्न हियर विच आर वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर योर फ्यूचर लाइफ एंड फॉर योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ एज वेल. एंड यहाँ पर क्लब्स और एजुकेशन के अलावा एक और प्लस पॉइंट है, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे ऐसे इवेंट्स और फेस्ट होते हैं.
I have managed technical event called Electroshala, where we taught many students about the embedded systems, AVR microcontrollers at Mega 16, at Mega 32 and at Mega 8.
This institute gave me a chance of self-exploration. I worked here in many clubs, as there are many options available. There are 9 to 10 clubs in our college, which gives you all the opportunities for cultural, sports and photography, and there are many options available.
We emphasize on all-round development of students. Apart from studies, if a student want to join NCC, he can join. If he is a sports person,
various facilities including sports complex is there.
Samrat Ashok Technological Institute has attracted students from various other countries. Students and faculty are sent to other colleges within India as well as abroad to greater exposure and a worldwide view of the topics they undertake to study.
The best thing happened in my life is selecting in the Harvard University Conference. I was selected among the 500 delegates from all over the world from various universities like MIT, Harvard, Oxford, and in India, IITs.
I came here through ICCR, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, in 2016. This is one of my great experience I got within my life. The academic staff is so quality and so helpful and so supportive.
Engineers are recognized and awarded worldwide for the important role they play in creation of knowledge-based economy. The Samrat Ashok Technological Institute is an opportunity where students get a chance to find the best answers to real-world questions and make our world a better place.